Hello friends. So today we have got the delivery of Smart TV, which is Nokia Smart TV 43 inches, and it's a full HD television. So we are going to unbox this television. It has a lot of features, and we bought this TV during the sale of Black Friday. During Black Friday sale, we bought this television. So there are so many things included. You can see here Netflix, Disney, Prime Video, YouTube, and many more. So you can also kind of cast your mobile on this television. So let's see.
There's a manual.
There is a manual. There are some. So it came by courier. We bought through Amazon online.
This is the
Remote, and this is something like stand device or something. Yeah. So you can find the instruction to take out how you can take out the device from the box.
Yeah, what all is there on top in the first picture. So we have just taken off that.
This is installation instructions. Yeah. This is the manual.
It's mounted on this.
Very light. It is super light. Very smart. Very smart.
43 inch TV.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to put it down for a while so that we can prepare it to mount this. Yeah, it's okay. We'll keep it here right now. And yeah, nothing else, right? So let's unwrap this one. Come from this side. Come from this side. Yes. Hey,
This is a Nokia TV.
it's very sleek, no?
Yeah.
And you can see the frame. Very thin frame. Everything is like you can get a good view, and it is quite thin. So also easy to place wherever you want. In the box we have received these items basically, so you should also look for those items. So this is some kind of stand, maybe stand holder, and then battery, and then some bushes, and then some screws, and then this manual, and then the remote. So this is what we have received in this box. Our television falls under this category. Here, these are the bushes, these are the screws, and this is the holder, and this is the base of that stand. So we need to have these items, and then we need to fix like this. So first the bushes will be fixed here, and then we have to screw this into the base, and then once the base stand is made, then we can fix it to the television. This is the final step, so we are going to follow this. So we have got the bushes here, and we have got the screws here. I'm going to take these out, and this is the stand, and this is the holder. So this is the back side of the stand. So if we look into the front side, so here it will go like this, it will go like this, so that so the stand will become like this. There are 12 bushes and these are 8 screws, 4 white and 4 black ones. So you can see these are the bushes, and we can just put it inside these holes. These are 12 in number, and then press it once and it will be set. So one by one you can just do it for all of the 12 holes here. So it will be like anti-skid. It will not allow skidding from the slippery surface. So I have already put 2 screws, but what I have realized that it is not very easy to put the screws. So you should have a magnetic kind of a screwdriver which can help you put the screws inside the hole. Otherwise your finger might not go over there. So I can place it like this. You can see that this is a tricky one, and once it is straight, and then I can just screw this one inside. Screw this. Yeah. So little tricky. So this is not very simple. Just for your information. Yeah. So maybe I'll put the other one. Then I will put all of it. Yeah. It is little difficult to tighten this because it is very inconvenient to put like this and then place the screw. You may need 2 people to tie this up. And one more thing, you should not tight very much because these are all plastic, so it should be just aptly tight. So be careful about that. Yeah, so we have fixed this. Now it is good to go.
To stand.
You can also wall mount this. So you have to buy separate stand for that. You can see the space here provided. But yeah, it's fine, good to go now. The television is ready to be mounted, to be placed on the table.
Yeah.
So we have placed the television. It's a big one compared to our last television, which was just 32 inch. This is a little big.
Looks quite.
Yeah, it looks quite big. Yeah, so that is my old television, just we kept it aside. So, and we have a very sleek remote as well. You can see the remote, very sleek, and it's good on your hand. You will feel it very nice in your hand. So there are some direct buttons where you can open Netflix, YouTube, Google, and yeah, which is quite handy for you. So here TV has started. It is just booting up for the first time. It writes Android. On, and we are waiting. Yeah, so we have to set up this. So I'm going to select United Kingdom, English, and then country, yes. So we will fill these up accordingly. So initial setup. Have successfully connected the television to the Wi-Fi. The good part is we are hearing the music, which is quite good, and it's like very soothing, pleasant. Nice work, Nokia. something 306 MB. It is downloading. Now it is finished up. We are waiting. What is going to happen next? Exciting. But now, again it is rebooting. So it has downloaded some file, installing system update. Oh, but nice. The installation is finally completed. Now again we are getting this Nokia. Now it again went off. Android. It's restarting basically. So you have to basically have some patience. Again it is coming. Again this is coming. I don't know why. This is something which I did not expect. It's again installing another file which is 305 MB. Yeah, we'll wait. It's taking time. We have to have the patience. So it asked me to install certain apps as well, like Twitter, some gaming games, Facebook, car racing apps, and many more. Disney Plus as well, right? Yeah, it's installing those right now.
Want to see? I can show you.
Okay, what are these are the features. Okay, one by one. Get the app from Google Play. Okay, Google Play Store offers app that you are sure to love. Watch shows, stream live sports, play game, and more. Okay. Talk to Google Assistant. Okay. And cast to your TV. With Chromecast built in, you can quickly cast phone. This is the thing I love. Videos, music from your phone straight to your TV. Yes. Finally, you will see this message. Setup is completed. Enjoy. So this is the end of it. Let's hope we will see something useful for us. Yeah. Yes. Let's just let's hope. Yeah. Hey, yes.
Finally, we are on the desired page.
Finally, we are connected. It's a nice TV. We are liking it. Nokia Smart TV, 43 inch. And energy efficient. This is quite efficient. Energy level is E. So I would say yes, it's quite good one. So let's select something. Woohoo! We have reached. Let's see. Let's see how the performance will be.
The right movie to start watching.
Horror thriller.
Let's watch it now.
Play now. Just see. Play.
Yeah.
Okay. And we are enjoying. So you can see the voice here.
Just how long has it been there?
Let's see. It's an inbuilt good voice. we are going to enjoy this television. Yeah, nice deal, I think. So hope you liked it and it might be helpful to you. Thank you.